guests, our senior high school teachers and students. On behalf of the grade 12 PBL Agriculture, I am here today to express our sincere gratitude to all who helped us throughout our pre-work immersion and work immersion. Our pre-work immersion experience has been a meaningful journey that allows us to step outside the classroom and walk into the real world of work. Through the guidance of our teachers and the support of our school principal, we were prepared with the knowledge, discipline, and values needed before facing actual workplace situation. The pre-work immersion sessions help us understand the proper work ethics, responsibilities, and the importance of professionalism. During the work immersion in Oka, we visited different places such as the Balayan, the fish ponds, and the seaweed farms. As an agriculture student, it was a new and exciting experience to witness and work in a large ponds, seaweed farms, plant corns, and rice that we do not do on our usual school setting. This experience opened our eyes to the real challenges and importance of agriculture in our community. It made us appreciate the hard work of our farmers, fisherfolks, and agricultural workers even more. We believe that this immersion will serve as a strong foundation of our future careers in agriculture, and we were also given the opportunity to apply what we have learned in school. We experienced real tasks, faced challenges, and learned how to communicate and work with other professional environment. This experience taught us valuable lessons such as patience, teamwork, time management, and self-confidence, skills that are surely help us in our college and our future careers. To our teachers, coordinators, and partner institution, the Oka Kulianan Satellite Office, and everyone who supported us and guided, thank you for your time, effort, and dedication. This experience has inspired us to strive harder, dream bigger, and once again, thank you and a blessed